What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we're doing a quick unboxing of this knife. This is coming to me via Knife Dope. Check out Knife Dope's channel if you haven't already. And yeah, we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing, first impressions, reaction on this knife. So definitely stay tuned for that. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And doing the honors today, we have the Benchmade Bugout. That's right. This one is the mini version of the Bugout. I just recently unboxed this one in the channel, checking out what the Bugout craze is all about. And I've really been having a good time with this one, right? Mini version of its full-size counterpart. And this one's going to be doing the honors today. Of course, this knife and every other knife that you see in this video will be linked down below. It does help out the channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you and at zero extra cost. That being said, let's find the best way to break into this box, and I want to say the password is probably right here, right? Making a nice cut right around here. Let's see. There we go. Maybe around the side here as well. Always cutting, trying to cut away from me, not towards me. And hopefully that does it. Let's see. All right, here we go. Now this is how you open the package, this way. All right, so all right, it's a package inside of a package. All right, let's figure this one out here. Here we go. All right, so we got two Kershaw models going on this one, and let's if it is what it is, I think we're gonna be in for a good treat, you guys. All right, Kershaw. Haven't seen the Kershaw models here on the channel for quite some time, and it's about time we check out some of their models. These came out earlier in the year 2024. We got the Bel Air and we got the Launch 19, and I am going to be unboxing both. What I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this video into two different videos. That way it helps with the YouTube search algorithm. Most of my views do come in via search. So we're actually going to go ahead and open the Launch 19 first. Got a nice little caution right here. It says this automatic knife is regulated by various laws. Please read the product information contained in the box before using your automatic knife. All right, obviously, definitely encourage you to always check your local laws. The good thing about both of these models is that they are made in the good old US of A. Good old US of A. And yes, this is the Kershaw Launch 19. It is an automatic knife, which we haven't checked out automatic knife in the channel in a while as well. And I believe what do we have here? G10 and aluminum, right? I believe so. Aluminum and G10. And then aluminum on the other side, right? Got the black and sort of tan combination going on. And if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Let's just go ahead and deploy the thing. Here we go. Holy smokes, is this thing fire like crazy. All right. See, that tells you I haven't handled an automatic knife in quite some time. I want to say, did that just cut the table right there? Holy smokes. Yeah, word of caution to my audience. Yeah, when handling automatic knives, make sure you get a good grip on it. Holy cow, that thing just deployed with an attitude. Holy macaroni, bro. Okay, so yeah, first impression, you know, with an automatic knife, this one is an out the side automatic as compared to an out the front or OTF. Yeah, this one got some recoil to it, some crazy action, to say the least, right? That thing fires like nobody's business. And let's see, no side to side, no up and down play of any kind. Loving the ergonomics already. So this is your standard grip. Again, I have medium hands, not the biggest of hands, not the smallest of hands. I'm able to get a good grip right here. But check out this finger choil right here. Boom, this is where it's at, right? This gives you more control of the knife right there, forward choking, and boom, get more control of your cuts, your slices. Have a beautiful machine, what looks to be a machine satin finish flat grind going on here. So good, you can actually kind of, you know, get some sound coming out of it. You can kind of pick the individual lines going on there. So holy cow, so it feels good in the hand, right? Both positions are good, especially that forward choke is already my favorite, right? On the way back, there's a decent amount of tension from that spring, of course. That's what gives you that action going on. The pocket clip is deep carry, right? And it's also reversible. So lefties out there, rejoice, right? Reversible pocket clip. And pretty much I think this might be the same pocket clip, very similar pocket clip as in a lot of Kershaw models. Again, this one is made by Kai Knives, made in the USA. You got the flag right there. I'm glad they kept that very minimalistic, right? It's not like a big United States flag taking over the entire handle, or a pretty big, you know, flag or what have you. But man, that is some recoil on the billboarding department. It says Kershaw Auto on the show side, and then it says 7851, which is the model name. It is an in-house design. Every time you see this on a Kershaw knife, that tells you that that is an in-house knife design. And we have CPM 154 on the steel for this one. Also feels pretty comfortable and, you know, decently lightweight. Doesn't feel like a heavy knife by any means. And man, you better get a grip on this thing, because it's gonna fire with an attitude. Man, that is solid. Feels good. The handle sort of curves down quite a bit. That helps with the grip in the hand. Feels natural. Good lanyard hole right there for the lanyard people. It does have a little bit of a sandwich construction, as well as kind of like a clamshell section right here. You know, so check that out. It looks like a clamshell, right? Both handles, you know, meet in the middle right there, but also has a big backspacer back here. So that is interesting, the way they build this one. Let's do some size comparisons on this one then, right? Let's get out the usual knives. There is your PM2. So, yeah, my first impression when I saw the knife came out was, man, this is going to be a big knife. But believe it or not, it's actually a little bit smaller than what I personally thought. It was going to be a little bit bigger, but it's actually a little bit, you know, just a tad bit bigger than the Para 3, but very close, very ballpark to that Spyderco Para 3 size, right? Maybe like a 1/8 of an inch bigger, if anything, than the Para 3. Here's the Demko AD 20.5, the Shark Cub. So definitely bigger than both the Shark Cub and the regular 80/20.5. Very popular from last year, the Civivi Vision FG and the Sentinel Strike. Both of these are going to be larger knives, no doubt. You guys take a look there for yourself with your own eyes. And last but not least, the very popular CJRB Pyrite, which happens to be a little bit smaller, and the Vosteed Raccoon, which actually matches it pretty well, right? Pretty much around the same ballpark size as well. The Vosteed Raccoon and the CJRB Pyrite is a little bit smaller, but again, this just kind of gives you a ballpark idea there size-wise. And yeah, this feels good in the hand, so let's just do some cutting with it, shall we? Here we go, I'm gonna forward choke on it, and bam, okay. Whoa, that thing is cutting paper like nobody's business, right? Not that this is proving a lot, right? Every knife should be able to cut paper, you know, unless it has a terrible edge or a non-existent edge of any kind, right? We have sort of like a clip point, yeah, pretty much looks like a clip point blade geometry, has a little bit of belly as well, okay? And yeah, it can do paper with its eyes closed. What about some cardboard? I got some everyday cardboard right here. You're gonna do some cuts. Remember, when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular, but rather at an angle, right, like this. And it's gonna look something like this. I'm gonna forward choke, and wow, effortless cutting with this. There's even a section right here where it becomes, you know, a little bit thicker of cardboard. Still cutting through that, no problem. Yeah, what can I say? I do believe, I'm not sure if I got the story correctly, I think Lefty used this one and the Bel Air a ton, and he ended up wearing off the edge, and I believe Dennis from EDC for Fun ended up putting a mean edge back on it, right? This one and the Bel Air, or maybe one or the other, I'm not sure, but I gotta tell you, this one is pretty sharp. You guys, right in the comments, let me know how sharp is this guy on a scale from 1 through 10. Of course, 10 being the sharpest. Let me know. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the Kershaw Launch 19. Came out 2023. Looking really good. Looks comfortable. Good to use. Forward choke option. Very, very functional. Automatic knives. If you're into out the side automatic knives, right? Definitely got to check this one out. And again, made in the USA. I'm not exactly sure the price on this one, but I will be linking it down below if you want to check availability. I know that these were in stock and out of stock very consistently the first few weeks after it got announced, right? So there's a possibility it may be in stock right now when you're watching this video. There's a possibility it may be out of stock. So I make no promises, but I'll try to link to as many places as this guy may be available as possible down in the description. And again, also the top comments as well. So yeah, very interesting, making a very good first impression. The plunge grind situation is also pretty good, right? Sort of back here. So you can get many sharpens out of this guy without ever getting a smile. So that is good. And that is the Launch 19 from Kershaw. Let me know what you want to know for the review video, right? What questions do you have? What do you want to know specifically about this knife? I'm going to be carrying it, of course. This is not the review video. This is just the unboxing and first impressions. I'm going to try to gather as much feedback as I possibly can and then come back and give you a comprehensive review on this knife. That's basically how I've been doing it on the channel here since we started. And yeah, I've been really having a lot of fun doing that. So definitely subscribe if you're not already. I promise you'll be worth coming back for more. I make knife and ADC content like this on a daily basis. Also, smash that like button. It's absolutely free and it helps the video with the YouTube algorithm reach a larger audience. I'm going to put the video right here for the Benchmade mini bug out on this side. And then I haven't unboxed this one yet, but by the time you're watching this video, the Bel Air may be available, right? That unboxing video is going to be right here on the right side for you guys to check that one next as well. Guys, if you want to support the channel a step further, there are links for Patreon down below, or you can simply support the channel right here on YouTube by becoming a channel member. You'll get access to exclusive perks. Other than that, guys, if you made it to the end, you are the real MVP, right? Thank you so much for hanging out with me until the end. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. Peace.